Ayan. Sige po ha. So, I will be direct to the point, no? So, si Jasmine, yes, si Jasmine, last time, ikaw yung nag-call sa akin, no? 'Di ba?
Ay, apo coach.
Yeah, na you want to start selling on Amazon. Pero yun nga sabi ko, um, right now talaga, this is not the right time to do Amazon because of the the season. Madami ngayon ang nawawalang madami ngayon ang mga nasususpend ng mga stores, no, because of the Q4, no, kasi ang daming gustong mag-try na mag-sell din um sa sa Amazon. Yeah, so ayan, so thank you for coming, no, Melvin, no, kumusta? Ayan, si Jem, si Coach Warren. So si Coach, ano yan eh. Sige, Melvin, may sabihin ka?
Ay, babati lang din po.
Sige, mabilis pala ako. Ayan. So si Melvin, ano yan? Medyo nagkaroon ako ng background sa kanya na he is a video editor. Si Coach Warren, nagtuturo din siya, no? Nagko-coach siya. Ano nga, Coach Warren, yung tinuturo mo? Hello, Coach. Web designing ba? No, parang web designing si Coach eh. Yeah. So, baka nagluluto. Ayan, sige, let's start, no? I will share my screen. Wait. Okay, so, okay. Okay. Okay, so everyone can see my screen. Everyone can see my screen. Yes.
Yes, coach. Yes,
Okay.
po.
Yes po.
Okay, so right now, our webinar right now is about how to sell in US marketplace with zero investment. No, so right now it's actually this is the right time for new sellers to start, no, kasi ito yung pinakamataas na time when it comes to the US, ito or sa mga online sellers, no, the Q4. So Q4 is October, November, December. So November na tayo and we have the December. So this is the season na talagang madaming sellers ang gustong mag-invest or mag-sell. No, why? Because this is the time, like next week, oh no, this week pala, Thanksgiving, no? Marami ang bumibili, to give gifts to the family. And then December, Christmas and New Year, no? So kaya ito yung perfect time for us to start. Okay. So first of all, I will introduce myself para kay Jasmine and Melvin, no. Si Coach Warren alam niya na ako. So iba din, no. So I'm Divine Grace Corsio. So I am a seller since 2015, no. Since I came here in the US, so talagang naging nag-start na ako mag-sell, dito online. And I do coaching for VAs, no. I teach e-commerce, si Coach Elisa, nandiyan siya. Siya naman yung about virtual assistant, no, freelancings. So she teach virtual assistants, especially how to work from home. And ako din, no, VA, virtual assistant, but more on e-commerce side. And then I also have a fulfillment center, if you can see in the picture, Prep for You services, no. We help other sellers also, no. We have a fulfillment center, for Amazon. Walmart, eBay, Shopify, and other marketplace. And then now I'm going to start na teaching also sellers like you, no? So actually, this will be the first batch or first webinar na gagawin ko sa inyo, no? So this is free, no? Because right now this is what I want to do, to help other aspiring sellers now, no? Kasi for me also, I started to sell online with zero investment, no? So paano ko ginawa 'yon, no? I started in our house. So right now nandito ako sa garahe namin. If you can see here, no, may mga items pa ako dito. So dati dito kami natutulog. Ginawa tong parang converted into room, no? And then nung nagkaroon na ako ng dito ako gumagawa ng ng nagpapak din ako, meron akong small table dito, yan, ito. Ayan, and then yung laptop ko, and then meron akong kung ano yung mga products ko nasa tabi lang, no? And then dun ko siya ginagawa. But then, thank God na talagang bless niya ako, no? Yung maliit or yung nag-start ako sa maliit na mga items, I mean, maliit na quantity, lumaki siya. So, yeah, right now I still have this, and later on I will show you the pictures, no, actual picture din ng warehouse. So, ayan yung warehouse. And actually today, sobrang pagod ako, pati si Calvin, no? So, kasi nakuha ko naman yung bagong warehouse na more bigger, for bigger, no, to accommodate more inventories and sellers, no, na mas madami kami matulungan din, no, for them. So ano ba yung fulfillment center, no? So fulfillment center is like a third party logistic, no? Katulad niyan, may mga clients kami na from UK, Canada, na they want to sell also in US. May mga products sila. Bumibili sila ng mga products, and then they will ship to me first, no? Kasi nilalagyan namin ng stickers 'yon. Chine-check din namin yung quantity, yung quality, no? And then ipapack namin and ship to Amazon, to Walmart, no? So yun yung ginagawa namin. And also, some clients also will buy their products and then it's stock nila sa warehouse namin. And then, pag may order yung mga customers nila, kami din yung nagpapack and ship, no? So, yan yung trabaho namin. Okay? So yan, konting introduction para alam nyo kung ano ba ako, sino ba ako, no? So, paano ba tayo kukuha, mag-start, no, ng how to start selling on US marketplace without investment. So totoo ba yan? So that is because of drop shipping, no? So you sell products without any inventories. So sa inyo, no, Jasmine, parang other option yan yung yung FBA, no? So si Jasmine kasi may alam na siya when it comes to Amazon. Yun yung FBA, no? Jasmine, yung ginagawa ko. For example, ikaw bibili ka ng products, you will ship it to me. I will pack, check the quantity, the quality, put the sticker, and then ship to Amazon. And this one, drop shipping, is like fulfilled by merchant, no? So ito yung other part ng FBA. FBM naman siya. So yung drop shipping, no? Drop shipping is you don't have your inventories, no? So dito din ako nagsimula, no, bago ako lumaki. Kasi nga maliit lang yung space ko, no? Wala akong pag-stockan ng mga products ko. So I start in small things, no? Sa ano ba yung mga zero investment? So products na meron ka on hand, like meron kang binili na product na mura, halimbawa $1, and then you will resell it, no? So arbitrage ang tawag doon, no? Ang dropshipping naman, you will find products also to the other to your supplier, and then sila ang mag-ship and pack nun, no? So bakit dropshipping? So kasi ito nga yung advantages niya is you you don't need to have inventories at your hand, especially kayo nasa Pilipinas, no, nasa ibang bansa. You will have you don't need to have your products on your hand, no. So this is a low risk. You don't need to buy products until the item sold. Ayan, nagiging unstable na naman ang aking. Ayan, so low risk. You don't buy the product until you sold the items. And then you don't need to pay rent. No employees also to pay. No? So that is the dropshipping side or the FBM. No? So paano ba siya? I will show you, the diagram here. So for example, your customer place an order in your store, in your online store. So you will purchase the product on your supplier, no? And then your supplier will pack and ship your order to your customer, no? So ganun siya. So ganun lang kasimple siya, no? So sa inyo nga kasi wala kayo dito sa US, you cannot stock your product, no? Kasi ako nakakapag-stock kahit sa bahay lang, no? But I add this drop shipping method to my business. Ayan. So, where to sell? Where you can sell? No, you can sell on eBay. No, you can sell on Etsy. You can also sell on Amazon. You can also have your own brand, no, Shopify, and you can also sell on Walmart. No, so but right now, ang talagang advice ko muna for new sellers, mag-start sa eBay. No, kasi eBay is more friendly, no, to use. Diyan din talaga ako nag-start. And then later on, nakakuha na ng budget, and then I jump to Amazon, no, and then I try different marketplace also, no, kasi parang kumbaga ito yung pinaka-basic yung eBay, no? So kaya alam ko si Jasmine nag-start na yan create ng account, si Melvin also, si Jemary also, no? So ang gagawin na natin for this, no, Jasmine, Melvin, Jemary, mag-start kayo mag-scan na, no? Mag-start na kayo mag-scan sa .com, no? Kasi kailangan makita ni eBay na parang may interest ka sa mga to purchase, no? So kaya mag-scan na kayo sa ebay.com, mag-save kayo, parang mag-like or merong mga option doon na parang save, save ba yun? Save to, let me see. Parang let me see. Okay. Yeah, so watch list or save, meron doon na option, no? So, yeah, so yun yung gagawin nyo, no? So, scan lang kayo araw-araw para at least nakikita, minsan mag-add to cart, no? So, para nakikita na ni eBay na parang may interest ka to do business to them. Okay? And then, later on, no, yeah, so kasi meron kaming later on I will tell you, no, na madali lang ang eBay, no? So we have also videos how to to do listing kasi mag-start ka na din mag-list, no? And then ang tawag dito, we will teach you also, no, how to do the business on eBay. So ito parang introduction lang to, ha. Okay, so how to start? So how to start? You need to create your seller account on eBay, or if you want Amazon, Walmart, etc. No, so right now, sabi ko nga, the best place to start is on eBay. And then start looking to products to sell. No, so syempre, like that. No, so we have videos also how to do that. No, so it's like also doing arbitrage, no, or parang sa Pilipinas, no, you will buy, parang bibili pupunta ka sa Divisoria, ang presyo nito is 20, so ire-resell mo siya for 50 pesos, no, parang ganun. So dapat alam mo, so dapat you already looking for products na low price and then sell to the higher price, no? Yun dapat ang tinitingnan nyo na. And then listing. So sabi ko nga, we have video for that, no? So, and then we also, and then, pag nakapag-list ka na, when orders come in, magpo-fulfill ka na ng orders, no? And then, pag may order na, you will also purchase the products in our website, no? So, kami ang magiging supplier nyo, no? So, later on, I will show you, no, na meron kaming okay. Ayan, bumabalik na. Okay, so later on, I will show you ano ba to, bakit may products in website, no? And then, we will pack and ship your orders to your customer and then wait for your payout and then you will just repeat the process. So, ganun lang siya. So, from listing na, hindi ka na ulit mag-create ha. So, I know, for looking for products, no, to sell. So, ganun lang siya. Look for products to sell, list the product. When orders come in, fulfill the orders. So you will purchase the product to our website. We will pack and ship your orders and then you will wait for your payout. And then uulitin nyo lang ulit. Start looking for products to sell. No? So yun ang gagawin nyo. Okay? And then, yan. So sabi ko nga, no, so that's why we get more bigger warehouse kasi we have a lot of products, no, na we can help you, to sell in a lower price, no? So we have toys, we have beauty products, we have mga condiments, yan, like coffee. We have a lot. We have a lot, no? And then you will get that in a very lower price, no? So that's why you have a big margin, to get, to be your profit, no? So that's why, yeah. So this is actually this one, very few people lang din ang iiyan namin i-offer yung ganitong service, no? Para you know, para mag-start kayong magkaroon, kasi ang dropshipping kasi, this will help you muna to build your ang tawag dito, your business, and also to start also getting more money para i-reinvest nyo to your store, no? Kasi later on pwede na kayong bumili ng own product nyo, no? So, kasi ganun din ako eh. So, like me, no, I don't stop in just, small things. Siyempre, lagi ako nag-iisip, no, na I need to have a goal. I need to, to have more, to get more, no? Not for me, but also to share to other people, no? So, sabi ko nga, I started here in my garage, no? And then, yung aliit na corner doon, naalala ko doon talaga sa corner na yun ako nag-start, no? If you can see, meron akong parang board pa doon sa likod eh. Doon yung office ko dati, no? So dito sa harap yung maliit kong table para i-pack ang mga orders ko. And then lumaki na umalis na kami dito sa garage, no? Dito sa room na to, lumipat na kami doon sa sa bahay ng biyanan ko. Kasi napuno na to. Nagamit ko na yung buong garahe. And now, itong nasa picture na to, this is the first time na lumabas talaga ako ng bahay, no? Kasi gusto ko sana yung business ko nasa bahay lang, no? Kasi I want to be a full-time mom. I want to be, hands-on to my children, no? And to my husband din, no, na magkaroon ako ng time sa kanya, no? And to our ministry kasi we have church, no? So those are my priorities. Pero hindi, God, bless me, and he wants to expand my territory. So that's why ito yung first warehouse na nagkaroon kami. And then God willing, before the end of this year, lilipat na kami sa bagong warehouse, no? Ayan. And then you can see here, yan. So this is our team, no? Ayan si Calvin, si Melvin, kilala yan si Calvin, no? So, this is our, minsan talaga punong-puno kami, no? Ah, so, itong nasa kaliwa, yan yung mga parang deliveries, no? Ng mga, or mga clients namin. Sa baba naman, ito yung mga boxes na isi-ship namin to Amazon. Yan, dito naman sa kanan, yan yung mga small pouches na yan yung mga FBM products namin. No, so yan yung sinesend namin daily, no? So ano pa? Ayan, so tapos na. Tapos na ang aking presentation. Okay, so let's see. So ako naman kasi I I always want to make sure na straightforward, no, ako kasi um kaya kung may question kayo, let me know, no? And I will answer those questions.
Coach.
Sige, Coach.
Warren. Coach Warren.
Mm-mm.
Question po. Possible ba yun? Kasi nasa Pilipinas ako, tapos may mga products ako.
Mm-mm.
Paano yun? Meron bang way?
So,
Hindi yan
So yun nga coach, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, hindi mo dadalin dyan, hindi namin dadalin yan yung product, nasa akin. So yun yung dropshipping. So kumbaga, meron kaming website na ibibigay sa inyo na doon kayo titingin ng mga products na gusto nyong isell. No? So, siguro right now, ang gagawin natin is mag-start muna kayo mag-create ng account. Then we will have another meeting to teach you paano kayo mag product research and mag-list, no? Para dun kayo mag-start na mag-sell. So ito kasi sabi ko nga introduction pa lang to, no? And then we will teach you step by step, no? Paano nyo gawin siya. Yeah, so hindi nyo problema yung products kasi nga nasa amin na siya. Ayan.
Okay. Hindi, kasi meron, kasi nga doctor, Coach, diba nag-aral nga ako ng naturopath medicine. So we have our
meron
own
ka. Oo.
supplements na I don't know kung may paano ba siya i-bridge dyan? Or
Yeah,
paano ba?
good.
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, actually pwede yun. Ang gawin mo, so ang gagawin mo sa kanya nga, you will list your product, no? So pwede mo siyang i-list din kasi ang eBay, hindi lang US marketplace ang pwede mong i-target. We have eBay Canada, we have eBay UK. So everything. So kung yung product mo is maganda, you can list that in your store and then you can ship that, So kailangan malaman mo lang magkano yung shipping fee dyan.
Para mahalata.
Oo, yun. So yun yung magiging yung magiging
so
cost mo.
from dito sa location namin, mag-eBay store ako. So add up na lang yung shipping fee, tama ba?
Yes, yes. So yung cost ng product mo, tapos ang tawag dito yung shipping fee and then yung referral fee, no? Kasi may referral fee kasi si eBay, no? So kumbaga every sales merong 15% siyang kinukuha. Ganon.
So dapat computed sa cost mo yun.
Yes. Oo. Yeah, so sa next meeting natin, no? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin. Ayan. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Ayan. So, good question, no, Coach. Yan. So, yan. Start mo yung
Pwede ka rin sa akin, Coach, kumuha ng supplements.
Oo. Yeah, actually, si Calvin, uuwi yan sa Pilipinas. Padalan mo siya, Coach. No?
Sige. Oo, kasi yun. Nobel Prize winner yung pampababa ng blood pressure. Winner talaga.
Oo, sige. Itatry natin yan. Yeah. So, ayan. So, Melvin, no, naman meron ditong, meron, naka-record naman to. So, if you have, later on, pwede mo siyang i-review. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, question pa. Good question, Coach, ha? Warren.
Oo, kasi yun ang iniisip ko, parang baka yung shipping. Pero possible naman, Coach, diba? Kasi ang difference lang naman natin nasa US ka, Philippines.
Oo naman,
Kumbaga,
Coach, kasi
shipping fee lang naman ang, ano, diba?
oo,
Ang
kasi
diferensya, diba?
meron naman kasing, ang tawag dito, ano ba to? What do you call this? Meron mga taga-China, nagsiship sila sa ano nga eh, from China eh.
Pwede, pwede.
So, yeah. So,
Pero,
kaya
Coach,
mo
ang supplements, sa tingin mo, ano ba? May mga requirements na mahigpit ba? Kailangan lang nila ng FDA, ganun.
Actually, hindi naman. Kasi
Wala
ako nga,
din.
nagsisell ako dito ng barley eh.
Oo, yung
Kaya,
mga ganun, di ba? So, hindi naman pala mahigpit.
as long, kasi ganito, tawag dito, as long as makita mo siya, mahanap mo din may other
Pero
sellers
sa
sa,
bagay, may papeles naman kami. May mga papeles
oo.
naman.
Oo. Yeah, so hindi ganito, mamaya magdi-DM tayo.
Sige, sige,
Send
Coach.
mo sa akin yung yung product mo, i-research ko, no?
Sige,
Yeah.
sige, Coach.
So
Thank you,
tingnan
Coach.
natin.
Mm.
Ayan, maganda yan. So, sige, may question pa? Tanong kayo. So, do you think ano siya, magandang business? Sige, Jasmine.
Yes, Coach.
Oo.
Coach, tanong ko lang, so magpo-provide po ba kayo ng parang, yung sabi niyo kanina, parang tutorial sa amin kung paano mag listing or mag-ano sa
Mm-mm.
eBay?
Yeah, meron kaming course na talagang from A to Z, no, sa eBay. No, so yeah, I can send you the details of that. Pero ito nga yung coaching na to, no, uh probably we're going to have another meeting for this, no, para i-share ko kasi sa inyo yung website din na pagkukuhaan nyo, and then paano mag-purchase, no, and then ang tawag dito, yung spreadsheet to explain, no? So right now, like what I said, no, mag-ano muna kayo, scan kayo sa .com, yun nga, kung, ayan. So kung gusto mo nga, yun, I will send you the details of the course, no? Yun, so dun mo siya makikita kung paano mo siya gawin.
Okay po, Coach. Thank you po.
Sige, sige. Sige, Coach Warren, meron kang sasabihin? Nakita ko nag-ano ka, unmute.
Ay, wala, Coach. Baka napindot ko lang.
Okay. Melvin, you have any question?
Wala naman po so far.
Okay, sige. Si Calvin tulog na. Nakatulog sa pagod.
Oo nga po eh. Chinachat ko din po eh.
Oo nga. Ayan. Question pa? Wala si Vanessa. Okay, sa tingin nyo, okay yung yung business or yung dropshipping? Okay ba?
Yes po.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, the way to go talaga yan, Coach.
Oo.
Safe po eh. Safe po siya eh.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, actually, yun nga, no risk sa inyo kasi maglalabas lang naman kayo ng pera if may bumili na. No? So, although hold ni eBay yung halimbawa, yung eBay yung fund na bayad ni customer. Pero naman, alam mo na may kita ka na dun kasi tsaka kami naman ipinapak namin yon kagad and siniship the next day, no? And then the good thing nga also here is may tracking number. So unlike sa Pilipinas, no, kasi yung mga ang tawag dito, ah mga COD, no, mga ganun, pwede pang mag-cancel. Pero ito kasi once na fulfill na siya, no, nag-order na siya, na print na natin yung label, doon na natin ang tawag dito, makikita yung progress kung nasa niya yung order, nasa na yung package, no, na-receive na ba ng customer, no. So yun nakikita niyo siya, no. But of course, may mga may mga other mga incidents na loss some product, no, or nag-refund na damage yung yung item, no. So meron naman tayong way how to to get that loss, no, or how we can ano ba to, um kumbaga yung loss kasi kasama na yan sa natin sa business eh. Pero paano pa natin mapapalower yun, no? So I will teach you also that, no? So sa ngayon, yun nga sabi ko, start muna kayo mag-create ng account nyo, scan muna. Pero yung katulad niyan, si Coach Warren, no, meron siyang product, she can start, listing na, no? Para at least nakikita na talagang you are talaga interested to do business in eBay. So kasi ang eBay kasi free siya. Wala kayo rin babayaran, no? Talagang lang kayo, and wait for the orders, and then dun siya kukuha ng 15% referral fee. No? So yun lang yung pinakaano nyo, parang expenses nyo dun. Ayun. Sige, Jasmine.
Coach, sa eBay po ba, wala po siyang, or katulad din sa Amazon, parang may monthly po na payment?
Oo, subscription, no? So actually, yun nga sabi ko wala, no? Pero limited lang siya, parang 50 listings lang. So syempre, mag-start ka muna in 50. And then pag halimbawa, gusto mo na talaga, serious ka na sa business, you can upgrade, no? Meron silang mga business subscription din, monthly, no? So yun din. So depend na yun sa din, parang may tatlo din siyang option doon, no, yung parang basic basic business, merong standard para standard, merong nasa 2,000. Okay. Yeah, so meron siyang mga iba-ibang packages, no. So I will send to you later, no, sa group chat natin. Pero yun nga, mag-start muna kayo sa basic. Kasi syempre, we want to start in zero eh. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba, zero investment. So yun, doon tayo sa zero investment muna. Okay? Okay, so actually, Jasmine, no, pag January na, yun, siguro yung January, pwede ka na mag-start din ng Amazon. So I will teach you also how to do that, no? Kasi, yeah, sa ngayon talaga, mainit kasi ngayon ng Amazon, so hindi siya applicable, hindi siya advisable to start talaga this month. So siguro kung nagsabi ka sa akin nung August or July, August, sasabihin ko sa'yo, sige, simulan mo na. Ganon.
Coach, clarify ko lang yung sinabi niyo po. So, ibig sabihin, kung sa eBay, pwede po kaming product, di ba yung sa inyo po galing dyan sa US. And then, pwede rin po kung may mga products kami na nandito sa Philippines, pwede rin po na direct na kami po yung magsisend.
Yes. Yes.
Na
Yes.
po kailangan ipadala dyan sa US? Or...
Yes. Yeah, so ang mangyayari nga, kayo magpapack and ship niya. Yeah. So ganun ang gagawin nyo. So magiging addition, kumbaga, kaya kailangan malaman nyo kung paano. Alam ko kasi, yung nanay ko nagpapadala from there, ang gamit niya is LBC. So yun, siguro ask the LBC magkano yung shipping cost, no, sa US. So kasi per yan eh. Depends sa weight.
Coach, eventually you have a course dyan ng eBay, di ba?
Yeah, meron naman ako, coach. Oo, ando naman siya. Yeah, so yun yung yun yung pwede nyong gawin. Okay. Okay, wala na kayong question? Okay ba? Malinaw? So I will resend this. I will send the copy of this recorded video para at least ma-review nyo din. Sige, wala na pong question.
Coach, wala na. Thank you.
Thank you din. So, Jasmine, wala nang question?
Isang question na lang po, Coach.
Sige.
Thank you. So, Coach, later on, kung kunyari pag mga sa private label products, pwede rin kayo, Coach, no, for prep services?
Oh, yes. Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
yun.
Kung ganun, Coach, kunyari kung private label galing China, mas okay po ba kung yung prep center dyan or dun po sa China yung yung mga boxes po?
So actually, ang mas advice ko sa'yo, ano siya, bibilin mo sa China and then ship here. So kasi ang prep ano namin, so depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mo. Kung halimbawa gusto mo lang ba polybag and then add the FNSKU label, 'di ba? So ano lang yun, 50 cents nga lang yun sa amin plus yung polybag 25 cents. So, yun lang yung magiging expenses mo. O, unlike sa China, baka meron pa silang extra expenses. So, you can do that, no? So, yeah, it depends sa'yo kung anong gusto mo. Kasi, yun nga, kung ilang units ba, ganun. And then, do the numbers. Yeah, I can give you the rate, no, for our fulfillment center.
Thank you po, Coach.
Yeah, and actually, isa pang magiging ano mo is, we also accept, like, for example, usually sa mga ganyan na wala ka sa US, they will ask you for removal address, you know? So, kasi automatic or return address, no? So, may mga customers ka na magre-return, no? Hindi happy sa product mo. So, you can use us also, you know, as your return address. And ang maganda din nun, you can sell those products also to eBay. No? So kaya hindi siya nasasayang. Kaya ganun ang ginagawa namin, no? Kasi sa eBay, you can resell the products kahit open box 'yan, damaged yung items or basta nakalagay siya sa description, people will gonna buy it.
Thank you po, Coach.
Oo. Yeah, yeah. So syempre kasi that's the good thing kasi I know the experience also as a seller. So I know also na ayokong maano malaki ang losses natin, no? So yeah, so let me know also if you need advice also in private labeling, no? Or other things in Amazon. I will be, I'm willing to, to give you advice and help you.
Salamat po.
You're welcome. So, wala ka ng question, Jasmine?
Wala na po, Coach. Thank
Okay.
you po.
How about you, Melvin? Do you have any question?
Wala na din po. Salamat po.
Okay. So, actually, Jemarie is my sister, no? And yan si Coach Elisa naman, yan, my aunt. So they are the one who helping me also, they are in the back end of the business. So si Coach Elisa ang namin, pinaka overall sa business namin, and si Gemma rin naman is our accountant yan. Siya yung nasa payroll namin. So may mga VAs kasi din sa amin nag-work. So, yan, sige, kung wala na tayong mga question, thank you very much for your time, no? So, if you have any question, nyo lang, message nyo sa group chat. We will help you, no? Kami ni Coach Elisa, si Calvin, we will answer that maganda sa group chat para at least kung baka mamaya ma-question na din ng iba or mas same question din, masasagot din namin. No, pero pag personal, you can DM me anytime. Okay?
Coach,
Aha.
choppy kasi yung ano mo, yung internet. So everyone, kung may concerns or questions kayo na hindi natin na catch up mabuti yung sinabi ni Coach Divine, message na lang natin doon sa GC natin.
Yeah, yeah. And then recorded naman to. So I will send the link for the recorded video. Sige po, thank you very much. God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.
God bless, Coach. Thank you.
Sige po, bye-bye.
Opo.